Here is creepy facts you can't unknow. There are some facts so disturbing, strange, and unbelievable that once you learn them, they stay in your mind forever. The world is filled with hidden mysteries, creepy science, and terrifying truths most people never think about. Some are connected to your own body, while others reveal how strange nature and the human mind can truly be. In this video, you'll discover creepy facts that sound fake, but are completely real. And warning, after hearing these facts, you may never look at everyday life the same way again. 1. Your brain can create fake memories. The human brain is far less reliable than most people believe. Scientists discovered that people can remember events that never actually happened. In experiments, researchers successfully convinced participants they were once lost in a mall as children, even though it never happened. Over time, the fake memory started feeling completely real to them. This is one reason eyewitness testimony in criminal cases can sometimes be inaccurate. Your brain constantly rebuilds memories instead of replaying them like videos. That means some moments you strongly remember may actually be altered, incomplete, or completely false without you even realizing it. 2. You shed skin everywhere you go. Every single day, your body sheds thousands of tiny dead skin cells. In fact, a large portion of household dust is made from human skin. These invisible particles float through the air, land on furniture, carpets, and even your bed. Over time, this creates a feeding ground for microscopic dust mites that live inside homes. Most people never notice them because they are too tiny to see. Even while sitting still, your body is constantly leaving pieces of itself behind. The creepy truth is that every room you enter slowly fills with traces of your own skin without you realizing it. 3. Some parasites can control minds. Nature contains parasites so disturbing they can actually control behavior. One famous example infects insects and forces them to move in strange ways before dying. Another parasite called Toxoplasma gondii infects rats and removes their fear of cats, making them easier to hunt. Scientists believe millions of humans may carry this parasite too. Some studies suggest it could slightly influence human behavior and decision-making, though research is still ongoing. The terrifying part is realizing that tiny organisms may secretly affect how living creatures think and act. In nature, mind control is not science fiction. It already exists. For tiny creatures live on your face. Right now, microscopic creatures called Demodex mites are living on your face. They hide inside pores and around eyelashes, feeding on oils and dead skin cells. Nearly every adult human has them, but most people never notice because they are extremely small. Scientists discovered these mites become more active during the night while people sleep. They crawl slowly across the skin searching for food and mates before returning to pores. Although they are usually harmless, the idea of tiny living creatures walking across your face while you sleep is enough to make almost anyone uncomfortable after learning the truth. 5. The deep ocean is mostly unexplored. Scientists have explored only a tiny percentage of Earth's oceans. The deeper parts remain dark, mysterious, and largely unknown. Strange creatures with glowing bodies, transparent skin, and terrifying teeth are discovered regularly in the deep sea. Some experts believe enormous undiscovered species may still exist in unexplored areas. The pressure in the deep ocean is so extreme that humans can barely survive there even with advanced technology. The creepy part is knowing that massive hidden ecosystems exist beneath us right now, completely separated from human life. There may be creatures in the darkness we have never seen before. 6. Your body actually glows. Human bodies naturally produce tiny amounts of light through chemical reactions inside cells. This glow is called bioluminescence, but it is far too weak for human eyes to detect. Scientists used highly sensitive cameras to capture this faint light coming from human skin. Interestingly, the glow changes throughout the day and becomes weaker at night. While you cannot see it in a mirror, your body is technically glowing every moment of your life. The thought that humans secretly shine in darkness like invisible living lanterns sounds more like science fiction than reality, yet scientists confirmed it is completely real. 7. Complete silence can terrify people. Most people think silence feels peaceful, but extreme silence can become deeply disturbing. In special soundproof rooms, people reported hearing strange noises coming from inside their own bodies, including heartbeats, breathing, and even stomach movements. Some individuals became anxious or uncomfortable after only a short time. Without outside sound, the human brain starts focusing intensely on internal noises and thoughts. Studies suggest complete silence may affect concentration and mental comfort. Humans are so used to constant background noise that absolute silence can feel unnatural and frightening. Sometimes, hearing nothing at all becomes scarier than hearing something. 8. Sleep paralysis feels like a nightmare. Sleep paralysis happens when a person wakes up mentally but their body temporarily remains unable to move. During these moments, many people report seeing dark shadow figures standing nearby or sitting on their chest. Others hear whispers, footsteps, or strange noises in the room. Throughout history, different cultures believed these experiences were caused by demons or evil spirits. Scientists now explain it as a mix of dreaming and waking consciousness happening simultaneously. Even though it usually lasts only seconds or minutes, sleep paralysis feels terrifyingly real. For many people, it becomes one of the scariest experiences of their lives. 9. Dead bodies can still move. After death, the human body does not immediately become completely still. As muscles tighten and gases build inside the body, small movements and sounds can sometimes occur naturally. Fingers may twitch slightly, the chest may shift, or strange noises can escape from the throat. In the past, these movements terrified people who believed the dead were somehow returning to life. Modern science explains these reactions as normal biological processes after death. Still, knowing that a body can continue moving after a person has died remains one of the most unsettling facts about the human body and mortality itself. 10. Your phone understands you deeply. Modern smartphones collect enormous amounts of information about daily life. They track locations, search history, habits, sleep schedules, shopping interests, and even how long you look at certain content. Algorithms use this information to predict behavior and personalize advertisements or recommendations. Sometimes phones seem to know what people want before they even search for it. While technology makes life easier, it also means devices quietly learn personal details every day. The unsettling reality is that your phone may understand your routines, preferences, and behavior patterns better than many friends or family members ever could in real life. Which creepy fact shocked you the most? Comment below and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more unbelievable facts and mysteries.